Kublai pi baro shakatup Khuborjylla ke Bosco Media Network. Kimat ki bakong san mentara sngi kilong. Ho sniu u Konrad ban penlong ka Shillong kanong ba football ha India. Wan jungo u joint secretary food security yakari bhoi district. Yo jinghikai kinong than ri bhoi ban wi rong jan na ka NHDC ban sange trekam kinong tre cooperative bank keleng kari India. Bat mentang nya phai chiki Khubor ki bakhamnya. Menteri rangba Konrad ki sangma ulaong ka sarkar kan tre shitom ban penlong ka Shillong kan nongba jaka football hari India. Habakran haka khandai tarik Naitung ban ai Khublai ya ka perton sipai ringkau army kabala kenthop lang ya ka nongba Shillong kum ka wei ka jaka ban penlong ya ka tournament Duran Cup ar phusan. Ngala penting kena bat kular hakinong yalam ka perton sipai ban penlong bat kentiu ya ka Jylla Meghalaya syaka kerdan jong ka nongba ki Jylla kai football hakari laong u Konrad. Hakani ka Duran Cup ar phusan. La penbej baka nongba Shillong kan yo pratli ki Jylla kai. La khmi lenti mentau snam enla ban penbiang tiket ya baro kinong ej football ha ka Jylla. Haus nam balala la syam ke jingdawa tiket ke lapoi syaka silak tam kinong pet kai. U Konrad ulaong ke sarkar lengba ke Jylla menteri ketenat sport kan tre shitom ban kentiu ya ki kam le kai ha ka Jylla. Hakih nyaus nam balala ke sarkar Jylla kala ai jingkershan pahu haka kam le kai. Ulaong ban kentiu ya ka Jylla haka football ke sarkar kala bu thong ha u ar puh nyau endon san pho tili ki madan artificial turf haki district ka Jylla. Ke sarkar kan saktik bat pensmi ya ki Samla lut bat ki Samla kan thei bat chenrang haki ni ki snam ban wan kan penlong da ka football league haman kisnong haki district ban kentiu ya ka football nadu tenrai. Nakabenta ban penkre pentebet bat penjanai ban yakhun haka national games ar phusan ban wan ka sarkar kala Beijing erap hakti ki association ba pher ulaong.
Host this, and we're very proud of our armed forces, and even in the recent months we all know the kind of operations that were held during the Operation Sindoor, and the way our armed forces have made us proud and have really been able to give a very strong and fitting reply to the enemy. It makes us all proud, and therefore I take this opportunity on behalf of the citizens and the people of our state of Meghalaya, in the presence of our Lieutenant General as well as our Air Marshal and all the other armed forces, to let you know that we are indeed very proud of the service that you give to our nation. Friends, I also would take a few minutes to share, of course, our story of sports in our state, which has been something very special and very close to our heart. And the reason why this is so important is because we believe that sports is a very integral part of the upbringing of our youth, and a very integral part of the overall holistic development of our youth. And sports is very critical, keeping in mind that India being a young nation, and the Northeast and Meghalaya being even a younger nation, younger state compared to even the rest of India. And therefore it is absolutely necessary for our states to focus on youth-related activities, so that we are able to really encourage them, we are able to create the right discipline, the right character building, and keep them engaged in different activities. And therefore sports has played a very important role, and this entire thought process has driven the strategy, driven the policy and the actions that we have taken when it comes to sports. I'm very happy today that MSOA working president is here, and he will share with you and tell you that the way government has supported sports in the last 7 years has been very different, and at a different level compared to what it was in the years before. Whether it is the support to the different associations, whether it's the tournaments that we are having, whether it's the Meghalaya games that we're hosting, whether it's the investments we're making in the manpower, whether in the selection processes of ensuring that scientific process is used for building up athletes for the future. All of this is being done in a very, very strategic manner with a goal, as mentioned by the Honorable Sports Minister, to be able to bring out athletes who can win medals in the national games as well as win medals even in international games and Olympics also. So it's really that goal and that objective that is driving the different
Ashwini Srivastava, Joint Secretary Bapit Kerpang Yakashini, Department of Food and Public Distribution, Government of India, Ulawan Jungo Yakari Bhoi District, Ban Pet Benya Yakajing Sam Yaki Marba Mardi Bakongsan, Lengba Kidukan Rashan, Hakileng ke District, Bat Khuborjylla Barokaway. Ashwini ulale jungoru yaka Community Health Center ha omsau nong kharai bat ulaya mirjingmut bat kinong trei ha kabaya day bat kakwat kekia bat kajing yo kipat ba yaka marba mardi bakongsan ha kani kathan. Ulale jungoru yaka dukan ration ha autonom bat ula wat jing tip la kipat ba kiyo tiknan yaki marbam kumbala mang ka sorkar India. Kibriu kiba uni u officer ulaya kendu kila ai kijing tip batikna baki yo testa yaki marbam na kani kedukan man ubenai. Kila dawa na uni u officer ban penrung yakashini hakatup ki marbam ban sam lengba kidukan ration. La penlong yaka jingalang hapaham seim community hall hakaba ulaya kendu ikipat ba bat ula kentu yaki ban long ki papet ngor yaka jingsam yaki marbam mardi bakongsan lengba kidukan ration kanong bet kabayad bet bakinyo tikena mana ubenai. Ulaya ro eki jing trei jengki officer hakanega district ula Khubor banyakran berki officer rangba ban penrung yaka shini hakatup ki marbam ban sam lengba kidukan ration. Kakong balakan rani additional deputy commissioner Ribhoi district bat ki wei ki officer rangba kila senran ya u Ashwini hakajinglet jingo jong u yaki Shillong kani ka district.
This visit is basically to review the implementation of our public distribution system. We are distributing free ration to priority household and their families, as you are aware. So here we are taking feedback from actual beneficiaries if they are getting their ration in time every month free of cost, and if there is any issue or complaint, so that we want to know from central government side. This approach is basically facilitating us to know the realities at ground level, and also we are visiting ration dukan, that fair price shops. There we are asking if they are getting food delivery, food grain delivery at time, every month, full delivery, and without any charge. Since central government is sponsoring this program, central government ensure that free food grain reach to all ration dukan every month in time, and that is distributed to all eligible families in the states. So far, after visiting two fair price shops and interacting with more than 50 beneficiaries, I found that almost all beneficiaries are satisfied with the distribution part. They are getting full quantity. E-POS is working, and Aadhaar authentication is there. So they are satisfied. Only one demand is there, that they want sugar distribution also. That at present Meghalaya state is not participating in sugar distribution, but there is demand by a few beneficiaries. Thank you.
Shwa banpoy kasngi rakhe yaka National Handloom Day. Haka nyaw tarik nailar uni usnam arhajar arpusan. Kinong hikai balapan tibet naga National Handloom Development Corporation NHDC. Kilawan ban ai jing hikai kumnu ban wi rong yaki jan hakinong thanjan kathem ribhoy hasajer community hall haka khandai tarik naitung. Kajing thmu jong kani kajing hikai kalong ban pentibet yaki nong than jan kathem ribhoy bakin penmi yaki jan ki badan ki rong ki ba itnat ki ban kring yaki khmat jong ki nong thet haki yogi hat jong kari India. Daki spa ngut kinong thanjan nari bhoi kilawan batchim banta hakane ka lumpung hikai wi rong jan hakane kasngi. UPL Single Manager Commercial NHDC Limited haga jingkran ulak kentu yakinong thanjan ban pendan kam daki rong kiba itnat ban kring yaki khmat jong kinong thit. Kijan kiba pernai rong klempep kin ya yobha bat kin kintiu yakayo kakot ulaong. Uraya ru eka jing nang bat jing tebet jong kinong thanjan keni ka Jylla kibala pendan kam daki rong bakila san naki ding kiba mi pahu haki klau saudong kishnong ki thau jong ki. Ula penkut ya ka jing kran daka baong. Kijan kiba mi na temri bhoi ki shat phalang ya ki jinglong tenrai jong ka jaj benriu kabaya pher naki weibat.
This is a workshop on natural uses of natural dyes in textiles, organized by Ministry of Textile Development Commissioner, Ministry of Textile, and here by Regional Office, National Handloom Development Corporation. This workshop is related to uses of natural dyes on textiles in place of synthetic dyes. And these programs are being organized on all India basis under Ministry of Textile in the run-up of 11th National Handloom Day. Ministry is organizing various other programs like DIY program and GI workshops in different clusters all over India level. So here Meghalaya and this Shillong area has participated, and our associate Ama Herbal laboratories from Lucknow, they have given the full detail how to use natural dyes in textiles. Natural dye is beneficial because it is not harmful for body. Fabric, this textiles used after using natural dye is unmeant. All these benefits are there compared to synthetic dyes. So we are trying to promote natural dyes in this area for benefit of weavers, so that they will have value-added products. Their earning will go up, because on export level and all India level awareness for natural dye is increasing. People are accepting natural dye product even at higher rates also. So Government of India also promoting this concept of natural dyeing on all India level. They are providing funds, they are providing technical support, and even state government.
Kinong tre ka Meghalaya Cooperative Apex Bank MCAB ha Meghalaya kiles no aktilang berkesenjuk kinong tre All India Cooperative Bank Employees Association haka khandai tarik Naitung ban penlong ka jing sange tre bashisngi hakeleng kari India ban dawa na ka sarkar India ban na ka Reserve Bank of India ban pensange ban wanra ya ka farm law ka ban kta ya kinong rep hakari baro kawai. Kawai pat kajing dawa jong kini kinong tre Cooperative Bank kalong ban pensange ya kajing temu jong ka sarkar ban wanra ya ki an batmai ban te lakam ya kinong tre bank hakeleng kari. Kini ki an batmai ki kentup ya kajing khanglat ban seng ya ki union ni association ki ban yada ya ki hok jong kinong tre. Ka sarkar ka tmuru ban penjur ya kajing IY outsource ya ki kam hagi bank ya ki company da ka bathong da kinong tre sngi casual workers bat ban penjalan ya ki kenta trekam haki bank kat bamon ki board penyat management. Uba Edward Linshing, Deputy General Secretary All India Cooperative Bank Employees Association, ulayat ho ki mat jing dawa ki dan pratali baki bo hak mat ka sarkar India. Kajing dawa bakham kongsan kalong ban pensange no ya kajing temu jang ka sarkar ban wanra ya ka labor code ban te lakam ya baro kinong tre haki bank. Ya kani kajing ya ki sange tre kam la penlong menta kasngi haplau ke MCAB Shillong.
Ako ki nationalized ba. Yakin dia menta limba kanida IIDPS daba yate ba ki nationalized bang apa kidan kambril ya indan longba indan lingba kata IIDPS. Yate ka IIDPS yang ni dan kambril mut kan ai armut kam tal akhia hampam sa branch yung di don di nationalized bank don itu kain pun dong mending private bank concentrate hasor rating jong ni hapan sekino pun dong sa teknologi intervention kelas dang menwan dengan kepat ya ka RBI ru ya ka सरकार bahkan pinjam dengan kita di beri angka digital banking nomor ini untuk ke bank ini diladon ka UPI don ka NEHU dilala bandle mereka ko beri aman pekat bandle ya kan UPI apa dei tik ke jong ni haban ya imba di bank ke pun ha ka ji tang yo abang yo ya ka scheduling jangan ni ke bank beli yo ke kerdan schedule bank ke kun ke basakai ban yo ban le ya kan ni ka UPI bang ila don mukal hap ya kun ke kirman di rupa beliau ki jongi apa mi ke Jylla ke jongi kini sopo ba kini semat ke badon no ke ni ndai bengi yo jumul koi ni apa pekat ya ka future maka lawai pun Samla kita ni berbuat maka dia boleh di undang Shillong intrai ko Jylla la jom nama boleh nimbyang ti kita ki infrastruktur nimbyang ki buon ki bentang guna pula ko Jylla ni laling ni pekat ha Far East dan ni bentang ke lam ni dan ni bentang ni kan jom ke Bihar West Bengal ini mungkin kita corporate houses tiba nak Samla kita ni kita balik tray balik Hamjan tu mulai kebun pun Samla ni kita tray Mumbai Bangalore Hamadra apa Chennai kita ki bentar gue sepai ber tangsa concentrate job concentration dalam betang kita ki bentar jadi kerman rupa nak Samla kita ni Hamsung tu hamba susu hak baik di padane ke jeti ni dei nak mentah yo jeti mentah banyak kulap bring it ba jumlah salang ni tim katum tepat standar apa bohong mana khajana halo dawai kita sim
Hadirin ke jing shimti uba basayaw moy Deputy Secretary ke Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council kum Administrator Khubor yaki kam elaka hanongpo sirdarship haka khandai tarik Naitung ula penlong jingalang bat kinong yalam jong kirat ban yakran yaki kam bakerki jong kane ka elaka hakane ke jingalang uba basayaw moy ula IT yaki shuki bat kaduli kodrech ha kinong yalam karat ban pendan kam ha office jong ka elaka uba basayaw moy ulayat hu nado ba ula shimti kum Administrator jong ka elaka nongpo ulalap badang don shibun kijingduna hapo ka elaka ulaong usirdar barim jong ka elaka ulayale katbala ban penwandur yaki shnong bat kirat hapo ka elaka handrai kidang don kijingduna ulaong ru kum Administrator hapo kini ki lai banai unyale katbala ban ya trelang rengkat bat kinong elam jong kirat paper kenang ban penwandur yaki shnong bat kirat kibadon hapo kani ka elaka ula penparu haba ula wan ban shimti yaka kam kum Administrator la shem ba ka office trekam kam don kiduli bukot bad ki kot kisla lathat halormit kijaka shong jogi brie gi bawan don kam shakane ka office kimbyang satya nakata kadaw ulaong la wanra yaki shuki bat kiduli ban penbyang yakane ka office jong ka elaka
Association pat bangana sinti hang ni kum administrator jong ka elaka nongpo te kum administrator nga sinti dengan laba kadan bun gi jigduna hapo ka office jong ka hima te gi slok jong ba katuan gi parlok napo ilaka nongpo hi giting layarai ba ginno senyang sa ka ilaka sa office ka hima namal kamdani ka almari ka babyang kamdani ka suki babyang namal ka office su ka baningkong kari katangga office ka su simwai hendrai sultanat ba na ka darbas nong paham sim hakipor ban sak lai penbej ba ka office hima kan dai hang ni kat ku gajing ya penbej ba ki sundar barim Tidak kalian juga ngeras berkefoto katakan imbut kita ya rahi ba no senyang siya hima. Da ibarit ya kumuka almari ke almari kawan buat igi files mas hanpo tili gisuki. Nomor kena ba ka kam ka jam kan ya be andri nomor hap nado ba simti hi ne kam dan almari kam dan igi file la subuh hamil. Teng ka halor ba ki Shillong kalau ka bakanum sakama ki file sistai teng larai te kabar ke perlok hi bangin no senjang dak almari ban bu igi files nata kisuki ba dan kam ke namta ka eksudor bar ani kisnong suki hadin habu ngila perkhat hi ngila yara hi dan biang yang ba mentak sanpo klisuki ngi sape suki da ngila ban ai sa sanpo ndel spark nang ba kila pun kam kira ru kisnong ru e kisuki jogi hima kenang ba kin khamnai na kajing rojing sa hakin ni bentab gidan kam pe tang ini hi sinjam beningkong hi tekawe ru ngai perkhat hi ba ngi dia kanu ko bala ban wara kajing hai ngapo ga hima wara ngadon potang ini ilai benai ru andai gini pusang hi rengkat bagi studor bar lingdora ikimentri bisketri bermentah ini bangi dia kunung dia penwandur dia penbek ya kerentia kikam kijam apa gimana namar hoi hagajing nobring ibun kijing dona kijing bakrang imna nan hoi ku sadar barim ila persang na bor jong i hindai kidon hi kijing dona hagini ha katukan ni benta te ngila ipe ngila
Ka syong suk syong san bat kajing shngan kalawan wan pai biang halapangap menta bat na kaliang ka sorkaru kala kular hakipat ba bakandan rengkat bat ki laong usembut menteri rangba ka Jylla ba snya balangdhar hadin balawan jurip yakate kathan hakasngi baar Hakajingkran berkilat pathai Khubor usembut menteri rangba ulayathu ba hakajingle jingo yakate kathan ulayo ban kendu yakipat ba nong shongshnong bat ulayo ru ban yaselok batki Hakani kasngi lasenran lang ya usembut menteri rangba nadu Khubor district hadu ki he pulet badru ki he sorkar
Yesterday we just visit along with the DC and SP and the other officials from the district administration just visit because as of now everything is okay, there is no more tension in the area. So that just also at the same time is my own conferences, just visit to meet and to create a confidence with the people of the area especially. And also I assure them with a full protection from the government for their safety. Concern point about the request the government to put the force there 24 hours and we did it. And point number two, that is a little bit not in order, so some of our people who are still having a body feeling that they are still fear to go on for their activities. So we already instruct the DC bodies to have a meeting with the local people to solve this matter at the earliest possible. They should not be disturbed to attend their activities daily in that respective area. Force there, our force is still there and our SAMs is still there. So at least to avoid anything happening. Both sides, even the force from Meghalaya is there, our SAM is also there. So at least maybe when things not.
Badagi tu ki Khubor nglapoi shikabakut tat hadu bangin daya syambiang Khublai Shibun